Hey and welcome. Yes, as the title of the video said, today we have lost money. But don't worry, I will now show you why we lost and why it's not a big deal. Also, if you want to do what I'm doing, you find the link below the video so you can get started today. If you deposit more than $100, you get 50% extra on a new account. Okay? So, now let's get to it. Like I said, we lost money since yesterday. We go over here. We can see there are some losses here. Uh, let's go to social trading. Let's see who lost us money today. So, obviously, we see this one in red, so we can start with him. Uh, Today, he have lost us, let's see, zero. So yeah, we have not copied him today. I think some of my settings did block. Yeah, my setting here did block him, so he did not take more trades. That's the smart thing when you follow new people, to put some limitations so you don't lose too much. So now go over to copy statistic. Yesterday we lost $714 just from this one. So let's right away just let's the all time if we lost more. No, that's all we lost. So there we can see the dangers of copying a people in there. You should put some next time I will put even a little closer numbers here so we don't lose that much. But yeah, he lost us money today, so let's stop copying this person and let's move on. So this person we will never copy again. Now let's check this one we did not copy. You see it's good. You see it's a good decision that we don't copy him because he lost money today also. Now let's check our two champions that have been good all over. This person over here, we did not copy any trades today. Why is that? Yesterday we made good profit from him. We made 116, but why we did not take trades today? Let's check. $50. Let's. I think it's about time we raise to 50% here. He's doing very good, so I think we can easily copy more from him. Change this to 51 and confirm. We continue with this one. He is doing good for us. Now let's check Pablo. He's our champion. He have done bad today actually. That was copy statistic. We lost 1,717 from this person today. He did terrible, and he did take a lot of trades today. That's what I always said. He did take very few trades. If he had stick to like 15 trades, it would not look like this. But that's the problem. Emotions. So you can see this person has some emotions when he's trading. Though he all time we are in minus with him now, but he always done good before because he has kept to 15 trades. Like I said, if you have kept to 15 trade today, we would be in profit. So there you see the importance that you don't get emotions, that you don't go crazy when you're losing. Stop when you're losing day, go to the next, and you will do good. So that makes it scary to follow some people. So be aware of that. So let's put some limitations on him so we don't lose that much. We can keep the 30% like before. I will keep that very tight. There, 52, that is good. We keep it there. Confirm. So we will keep it like this. But yeah, we see that we need to be careful with this person. I will keep a very tight budget for him because I don't like when people lose me money. So we can see here now. 1,700 today. All time on him then. Let's check. He is now in minus. He lost. He was doing so good for so good, long time, and you see he broke everything just because he had a bad day. So if you have kept to 15 trades, like I said, he will be doing good. But yeah, we will continue. Our champion for now is Vivian, that is in the top. Let's see if we can find someone else to copy because we need more people to get a better average in our days. So when we have a bad day, don't turn out so bad. So once again, we look at the percent. If you see like 51, that means they use martingale. So let's see, I think 63, 57 trades. Sounds good for me. Let's check. Okay, min trade, max trade. Okay, looks like he's using some martingale there, but his win rate is 71 actually. Let's check yesterday. Same deal. Let's check all time. He had lost all time, but not that much. So can be that he did not have a good strategy in the start. So I will say we can test it. Let's check first of all now. Min trade is 41. So let's say if you take 10%. Let's start with a 10% on him. Let's be very careful. As we see, he do use some martingale. So let's go for 10%. Stop balance, I put it to 52,000. Min can be 1 and max can be unlimited. So then in the worst case, if we do a 2,000 trade, we go in with 200. I find that, I think that is safe. Yeah, I think we do that. So let's keep 10% and I think we can see how we do and we take it from there. So let's confirm that. Now we have added him and we have a new one. So then once again we are just 3 people, but I will only add new when I see we're doing good. He is now on trial. He had a very bad day. He's on trial. We need to follow what he's doing. And I wish we could set a limit how many trades we could put for each one we copy. So if we just copy 15 trades a day, for example, from each, I would find that much more helpful, because then we will not have these big losses when someone go crazy. But for now, we are copying these 3, and I think I'm happy with that. So yeah, let's do like that. So then I will update again tomorrow. I hope we have a little more success, because we lost a lot of money from yesterday with the 2 people doing bad. But let's see, we will follow again tomorrow, and let's hope we can start to build up the account again. When we start to have 10 people, then if one do bad, we will still do good all over. So that's our target. So that's an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.